Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow an admin to post stories in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, following the latest update. Stories are a powerful way to engage your group members and highlight important moments. And now, with Telegram's new features, you can let your trusted admins share stories on behalf of your group. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on the group you want to manage. Once inside your group, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details and manage settings. Now, look for the edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil, near the top right of the group profile. Click on it to enter the editing menu. From here, select the Administrators section. This is where you control who has admin privileges and what each admin can do. You'll see a list of current admins. Click on the admin you want to allow to post stories. This will open their permissions panel. In the list of permissions, find the option labeled Post Stories. Enable this by clicking the toggle or checkbox next to it. This gives the selected admin the ability to post stories for the group. Once you've enabled the permission, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your chosen admin can now post stories in your Telegram group, helping to keep your community active and up to date. With this new feature, group admins can share important updates, announcements, or fun moments directly to your group's story feed, making communication more dynamic and engaging for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced group experience.